Hello, I'm Roland Keates. I'm one of the custodians of a woodland, and welcome to the Custodians of a Woodland video blog. These video blogs aim to give you an introduction to our woodland in the heart of Derbyshire.
Mighty tree, you are a friend to me. Mighty tree.
We have a bird's eye view of the valleys, a stream flowing beside us, trees taller than the heavens, roots deeper than Announ, and boulders Finn McCall once sat on, and never forgetting the little folk who reside here peacefully. I aim to fill these video blogs of stories and poems and songs of the trees, with special guests of oak, ash, birch and other native species that live in this wonderful, beautiful environment. So make yourself a cuppa, grab hold of your seat and immerse yourself in the beauty and the magic of a woodland.
Mighty tree, mighty tree, mighty tree, please don't fall on